The doorknob you touch every day is a fascinating yet overlooked piece of technology that holds secrets to the atmospheric science behind weather phenomena. This tiny device plays a crucial role in regulating the air pressure inside buildings, often going unnoticed until a door fails to open or close properly. In fact, the mechanism of a doorknob is directly linked to the atmospheric science of air pressure, temperature, and humidity. Air pressure, or atmospheric pressure, is the weight of air molecules pressing down on the Earth's surface. It's the same force that keeps the air in your tires at the correct pressure, but it also affects the way doors open and close. Imagine a giant invisible weight resting on the Earth, pushing down on everything from the tiniest insects to the largest skyscrapers. But that's not the strangest part. The pressure difference between the inside and outside of a building can also affect the way doors function. For centuries, architects and engineers have been aware of the importance of air pressure in building design. In ancient Greece, for example, architects like Vitruvius wrote about the need to balance air pressure in buildings to maintain structural integrity. However, the connection between doorknobs and atmospheric science remained largely overlooked until the 19th century. During this time, scientists began to study the properties of air pressure and temperature, leading to a greater understanding of weather phenomena. One of the key findings was that air pressure is directly linked to temperature. Warmer air expands and rises, while cooler air contracts and sinks. This concept is essential for understanding weather patterns, including the formation of high and low pressure systems. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that the pressure difference between the inside and outside of a building can also affect the way doors function? It's a phenomenon that has fascinated scientists for centuries, and it's still a topic of research today. For example, studies have shown that buildings with high ceilings can experience significant pressure differences between the inside and outside. This can lead to unusual door behavior, such as doors that swing open or closed on their own. But what causes these pressure differences, and how can they be mitigated? The answer lies in the fundamental principles of atmospheric science: air pressure, temperature, and humidity. Scientists have developed various methods to measure and manage air pressure in buildings, including the use of sensors and automated door systems. However, these systems are often complex and expensive to install, making them inaccessible to many building owners. That's why researchers are working on developing new, low-cost solutions to address this issue. One promising approach is the use of smart door technology, which can detect and adjust to changes in air pressure in real time. Imagine being able to open your door without having to worry about the pressure difference between the inside and outside of your building. It's a goal that's within reach, thanks to the ongoing research into the connection between doorknobs and atmospheric science. But until then, it's essential to understand the basics of air pressure and its impact on door behavior. So, the next time you touch a doorknob, remember the fascinating science behind it. The connection between doorknobs and atmospheric science is a fascinating example of how everyday technology can be linked to complex scientific principles. And it's not just doorknobs. Many everyday objects are influenced by atmospheric science, from the way your car handles in different weather conditions to the way your roof is designed to withstand wind and rain. The study of atmospheric science is a vast and fascinating field that continues to shape our understanding of the world around us. From the formation of clouds and precipitation to the impact of climate change on global weather patterns, atmospheric science is a critical area of research. And it's not just scientists who are interested in atmospheric science, from farmers who need to predict weather patterns to pilots who must navigate through changing weather conditions. Understanding the science behind the weather is essential for many industries.
So, the next time you check the weather forecast or look out the window to see what the sky is doing, remember the complex science behind it.
From the air pressure that affects door behavior to the temperature and humidity that influence weather patterns, atmospheric science is all around us. And by understanding the science behind the weather, we can better prepare for and respond to changing weather conditions. Whether you're a scientist, engineer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, the study of atmospheric science has something to offer. So keep looking up at the sky and wondering about the science behind the weather. It's a fascinating topic that's full of surprises. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one to discover a new principle or phenomenon that changes our understanding of atmospheric science forever. Until then, let's keep exploring the connection between doorknobs and atmospheric science It's a topic that's full of surprises and discoveries waiting to be made. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want to learn more about the science behind the weather? Check out our other videos on atmospheric science and weather phenomena. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging stories about science and technology.